What had happened at the court, Nalin Kohli? Were you present there or have you heard from your colleagues? What is the information you can share with us?
Well, I wasn't present at the Delhi High Court. In fact, I was at the Honorable Supreme Court. I finished my matter and I was planning to go to the High Court when this news came. For my matters there, the benches had got up and we have only that much information as what you're putting out to our viewers. And obviously, it's a high security area. The larger question is that of late, in the last year or so, there have been a number of fake threats or hoax threats also in terms of disrupting airlines, in terms of disrupting schools, in terms of trying to disrupt others. The question is, when a message of a threat comes, obviously, the protocol has to be followed. It has to be taken seriously, and it has to be examined to see that the threat is credible or it's a hoax. That brings about a stoppage of work. Now, in the case of the courts, it means that the administration of justice, hundreds of cases are listed on a daily basis before a court in the Delhi High Court. Certainly, each bench is hearing 50 to 60 matters. In that sense, hundreds of cases are adjourned. Litigants obviously suffer. There is everybody has to move out, and rightfully, because the bomb squad or whatever the police needs to do, we need to look at that. And when it turns out to be a hoax, in some cases, as we've seen with the airlines, with schools, that's unfortunate because this is a complete disruption by somebody, non-application of mind at great cost to the public, of great pain and inconvenience to the public. On the other hand, the police has to be on its toes throughout, look at it to see that the threat, whether it is credible or not, because you can't even leave anything to chance. After all, if an advance warning has come, obviously it has to be checked. These are large premises. The bomb squad will come, dog teams will come, everything will be checked. People will have to check, is there an unattended bag? Then, of course, if there is an unattended bag which may or may not be a threat, it would need to be examined with the proper protocol. So it's a very large exercise. So one certainly, as a senior advocate, practicing advocate, I'm concerned about it. The first thought is the safety and security of everyone who's in the High Court. That includes the honorable judges, the Chief Justice, the honorable judges, the litigants, the lawyers, all of them. We are concerned about them, and we will hope that this is something that is not serious, and we will hope that it is the situation returns to normalcy and there is no untoward incidents.